Are you throwing a holiday party? Well, if so, here are 5 steps to help you organize it and plan a festive celebration. The first and most important step is to plan. What kind of party are you hosting? Is there a theme or a reason to celebrate? Is it in the daytime or evening, formal or casual? Is it a garden party, a cocktail party, an open house, or a dance? As for food, will there be past appetizers to stand and mingle, a buffet for casual noshing, or assigned seating at a dinner table? Will you cater your food or prepare it? Will there be a full bar or just wine? Many guests or just a few? These are a few of the details you need to iron out when you decide to host a party. If you are hosting this party at your home, start setting the stage for the occasion. Take a good long look at the areas where your guests will gather and remove tchotchkes, clear the clutter, and clean surfaces for drinks, food, candles, and flowers. Finally, think about furniture arrangement. Feel free to move furniture around to allow for traffic flow or your own private disco. Now is the time to set your table. Lay out serving dishes and see if you're missing any vessels, utensils, glassware, or barware that you may need to buy or borrow from friends. Setting the table also helps you map out your tablescape, determine the size of the floral arrangements, and see where candles and other decorations can go. The countdown is on, and now it's time to decorate. Get decor and flowers that you need to make your party special. Going to the flower mart is one of my favorite activities to do to get a home ready for that special occasion. It's showtime! Finish all food preparation as early in the day as possible. Set up your bar, prepare the hors d'oeuvres, arrange your cheese plate, and bring out those buffet dishes. Light some candles, open a few bottles of wine, and welcome your guests when they arrive. Here's to a great holiday party. I hope this video helps you plan your own special occasion. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, I'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you a very merry and organized holiday season.